Jai Swaminarayan. Now today we are going to do last method, and that is cross multiplication method. Here exercise 3.5 is based on the cross multiplication method. But before going to get a solution, we have to check that a1 upon a2, b1 b2 and c1 upon c2. If they all are equal, then infinitely many solutions because coincident lines are there. If a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then there is no solution. And a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then only one solution is there. Now, for that what you have to do first, that in this type of example, suppose a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to y is equal to 1 upon x is equal to means praise these. So what will be there? b1 b2 c1 c2. Y praise, so we are going in this direction, so c1 c2 a1 a2. Now this a1 b1 a2 b2. In this way we have to find out. So first of all we are going to check ratio. Here a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 means minus 3 by minus 9, and here minus 3 by minus 2. So 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. So this is this case. So there is no solution for these equations. Now we are going here. Here first constant term has to come this side. So 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. That this is 2 by 3. This is 1 by 2 minus 5 by minus 8 is not equal, is not equal. If a1 and a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then only one solution is there. Only one solution is there. So how to get? Again we are going to do this x upon y upon 1 upon. We have to follow this formula. So x, so 1 2 minus 5 minus 8, y minus 5 minus 8, 2 3 1, 2 3 1 2. So x upon minus 8 minus 10 is equal to y minus 15 minus 16 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 3. So in this way we can do like this. But now x upon minus 8 plus 10, y upon minus 15 plus 16 is equal to 1 upon 1. So x by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to 1 upon 1. So now if I am going to remove this, this will become like this, that x by 2 is equal to 1 and y by 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So your solution is 2 1. This is your answer. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. You have to go in this direction. Now again here already this is 1 upon 3 minus 3 upon minus 3 minus 7 upon minus 15, which is not equal. So one solution is there. So x upon y upon and 1 upon 1 3 minus 3 minus 3. Now first again I made a mistake. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 7 minus 15. Why? minus 7 minus 15, 1 3 and 1, 1 3 minus 3 minus 3. So this is called determinant. Now what to do? This x upon 45 minus 21 is equal to y upon minus 21 plus 15 is equal to 1 upon minus 3 plus 9. So x upon 2, 24, y upon minus 6, 1 upon 6. So x upon 24 is equal to 1 upon 6. So x is equal to 4 and y upon minus 6 is equal to 1 upon 6. So y is equal to minus 1. So this is our answer of these equations, and our answer can be written as 4 minus 1, that is written as the order pair. Okay, in this way we can finish our 3 examples. Now another is also there, that also we are going to see. Now third example which was remaining inside. Well, now first what we have to do, this equation we have to write in proper way. So 3x minus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0, 6x minus 10y minus 40 is equal to 0. Here if I will do like this, 3 by 6 minus 5 by minus 10 and minus 20 by minus 40. So this is 1/2 is equal to 1/2 is equal to 1/2. So this is, type this, means infinitely many solution will be there. Infinitely many solutions are there. Okay, so in this way we have finished first section of exercise 3.5, and now it is given as like this. So you have to finish it, then we will do again.